it's Lisa Marvin Art. We're back with another crazy idea. And I've done this before, we're gonna do it a little differently. I'm going to use one of these, I'm not sure which one, and we're gonna swipe with a brush. This is so like soft, I don't know. I got these on Amazon. I don't remember what they're called. This one is very fine. You're not really gonna get many cells with either one, but you'll get like, my idea is like, you know, to have cool striations. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. I haven't really, I just kind of grabbed whatever. So I think we're going like beachy, okay? Colors. I have this color. I don't know what it is. I have to thin it out. It's like this, okay? Then I have Amsterdam Sky Blue. Then I have Phthalo Turquoise, you know, like the regulars, whatever I had. Now, this looks like TLP Sapphire. This is TLP Mermaid. I don't have an interference. I should probably grab one. This is the new TLP Algae. So it looks like this color, but then, which you won't be able to see, it turns to pink. Oh, look, see, it goes like green, but then it really shifts to pink, but you can't really see it right now. So my idea is I'm going to swipe with Gold Cell Activator over the background, okay? Then I'm gonna do this with the blues and make waves. What do you think? I don't know, let's see. Okay, I have my 14 incher here. I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use Sherwin-Williams Anchors Away, and we're really gonna stretch it out once I swipe it first. Okay. And I'm gonna swipe it with TLP Latte and Shimmer, and with my Gold Cell Activator, which is Australian Floetrol with Old Holland Royal Gold. Okay, well, this is thickened up because it's quite old, but okay, I'm gonna start with this. Not much, because I don't wanna spin it that much, I don't think, once I swipe, unless it's ugly and I wanna stretch it out. That's why it's kind of hard, because we don't really know what's gonna happen, right? Okay, but first we're gonna, lots of little gloopies in this one. First, I guess I'll swipe, then stretch, then brush, right? Because the swipe here is gonna be ugly. Anyways, let's do Latte. Okay. Then the Shimmer. Doodle-dee-doo, like that, right? Then I'll take my swiper, perfect. And on the back of it, I mean, it'd be better if it were cleaner, but on the back of it, or should I use this one? Yeah, I'll just use this cleaner one. I'm gonna put my Gold Cell Activator, okay? And I'm gonna make it pretty thin. So just do that, and we'll just do that, okay? Frost your cake, and we will swipe. I've had such a few weeks. Mo had whooping cough, then he got a stomach bug. Now Elliot has a stomach bug, so guess what that means? I hope it doesn't come for me. So I haven't painted in forever. Okay, I'm just, Sneakers is barking as usual. Okay, ready? I don't want to get the pillow paint, and I'm just pushing. Okay. Pretty. I'll just leave that, but like, I love always the first swipe, and I just want to leave it because there's such cute little cells happening. Okay. Like, that's really pretty. I don't want to ruin it, but we're gonna stretch it out. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is this, because I want this to be the background for my swipe. Should I put some more paint? I don't know. I really want, okay, let's stretch it out this way a little bit. Do you see the pretty colors though? Okay. Just get it over the edge a little bit that way. A little bit back this way. You need a bit of patience. Pretty. Let's go this way. Maybe, okay, I'll spin a few times and then we'll see what we're gonna do. Right? Yeah. Keep going. Now, I wish my brush was thinner. So maybe I'll only like swipe half of it, you know what I mean? All right. We're off to a good, are we off to a good start? I don't know. Because we don't know what the plan is. All right. So, the plan. Okay. There you go, masterpiece. Okay, the plan, Stan, is I'm gonna use the brush and swipe this way. But maybe, like, I do like, see how this size would be perfect instead of that big size? And I just got blue paint all over it. Let me just dry it off. It'll just be more, it won't be as smooth, but this size, you know, is good. Okay, I also just got this crazy idea. Instead of loading all the paints on here and then smooshing, what if I use it like a regular paintbrush and put all my paints here and dip it, put Cell Activator on it, dip it, and swipe it? Should we do that? Why not? We're like wild and crazy people. Okay, I'm just putting this here for now, okay? That's gonna be my palette. Okay, so on my palette, we're going like this, okay? That's the sapphire, sky blue, mermaid, whatever this is. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to mix it, sorry, hold on. I put just onion and didn't mix it. Okay. Right, and did I, oh yeah, algae. And this. Now, gotta thin that out. My Cell Activator, because I ran out of titanium white, is actually Amsterdam Titan Buff Light. So it's light, it's just a little creamier color, which you'll see in a minute. Should I do a test run? Probably. Let's do a test. I mean, you know I never do test runs, but okay. All right, so we have a bunch of paint here, right? So, okay, let's pretend with this. I'm going to, this is my Cell Activator. Yep, watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my cell activator here. I'm just like being a scientist today, you know? Okay, that's the cell activator. And I'm gonna dip my brush, oops, in the cell activator. I should have dipped it in the paint first. That was silly of me. Okay, because I want the cell activator on top. See, this is why we gotta practice, right? Okay, I'll wipe up some of this out. Okay, I'm just gonna go here and dip, okay? Dip. Then I'm going to dip. It's not gonna be great because I don't have paint under there. Oh, those lines are cool. Now, you can see some cells, of course. Okay. It's very liney, which I thought it would be because of this. You know what? I'm gonna use the big one. I don't want liney, but you do see some cells coming. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Shall we? Okay. I'm going to, and because I want to get all the colors, right? I'm going to color, 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 hot mess, hot mess. That's okay, okay? And then instead of, I'm gonna just pour the cell activator on here. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, I'm putting a lot on this edge. Watch. Okay. Okay, we have a lot on the edge here. I'm gonna place this back. I'm just gonna pour the cell activator on top. Ready? Oh man. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, cell activator. Okay, here we go. Gonna gently swipe. Okay. Now don't panic just yet, is what I always say. Okay. So, okay. Now, we're definitely gonna have to spin it out. Let me just get, the lines are, I like better. And I know you're saying this looks weird, but I like the vibe that we're going for. Remember, these things are just like experiments where you start ideas and you perfect them as you work on them, right? So now, let's see how much paint we have. Okay, we have some paint. I just want it to like sink in a little bit. I want to really stretch it out. So what I'm gonna do is I want it a little bit this way, downwards, okay? I want obviously this off here. Yep, we want all of this off like this. Okay, I'm gonna start spinning. So I'm gonna put just this, the cap of the paint underneath so it tilts up, and we're gonna spin downwards and see. This is the problem of not having a lot of paint, but at the same time, it's always hard to tell the best moves. Okay, let's spin. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. I definitely want this edge off now too. Okay. Now I'm just gonna spin the bejeezers out of her. Aren't those lines kind of cool though? The shape isn't like super ideal, but that's the other hard thing about doing a 14 incher. I can't get a good hold. Okay. This is where we spin and pray. What do you think is gonna happen? Let's see. Okay. It's definitely looking like a wave, right? Okay, I want this part more down. Right? It's a shape. It's a shape. I think it's really important to experiment with different ideas and be okay if it's not like perfect, but it's like the start of something kind of cool. You know what I mean? Yeah, the lines are cool. What am I looking at here? I love this part right here. Okay, so let me tilt her down a little bit more this way. Okay. Yeah. Yep. It's very subtle, but like, I don't know. It's definitely a cool idea. I don't know if I'm like looking at this and saying, wow, this is like an amazing piece of art, but I think it could be really the start of something kind of cool. Oops, I want to go faster. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Let's keep going. Yeah. Definitely love these lines right here. I think, let's see, can I spin again? I'm gonna spin one more time. And I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is experimentation. I think if I perfect it a little bit, I think I liked the dipping separately because it didn't mess up anything on here. I think that was cool. Yeah, cool idea. You know how I love like my natural lines. So I think that was really cool. Like I said, very subtle, but something that you can definitely play with. So I'm gonna do a close-up anyway so you can see all the sparkle and what I mean, how cool it is. But let me know what you guys think. Cool or drool? Have a good day. Bye-bye.